cleaning out my fridge. I just went grocery shopping yesterday, and but I need to organize because I just threw it in there because I had to go to work. I gotta go to work in a few hours, but I have time to clean my fridge. I spent $26 on groceries yesterday. I normally spend $36 a week. Yeah. So yeah, let me clean it out. So far I got my onions and stuff out. I got some horseradish. Don't ask me what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know yet. Some asparagus. I got this asparagus for $2 for $1. And these nectarines, I got $6 for $1. Got some other stuff. This is not a grocery haul. These were $1. No, probably like $1.50. $1.50. Yeah. So I'm showing this because I shop at this store and it sells like old food. But hear me out. On Saturdays they have like a farmer's market where like they have all the fresh fruit and fresh food. So I go every Saturday morning and I stock up on my fruits and veggies because I'm vegan, and I just cook. And so I don't really have to get much from the stores and stuff. They even have snacks and stuff and whatever. Watch the dates. Watch the dates. Watch the dates. But with the fruit, it's fresh. It's still good. There's no mold. A lot of times it's just overstock from stores or like local farms and stuff that just got like imperfect foods. You know that grocery that truck that sells imperfect foods. We buy the imperfect foods before imperfect foods. Maybe. So yeah. Because they don't be liking stuff that's too big, too small. So you know, shit. I got some peppers and some garlic. Old chips. I'm gonna make some juice out of this because I didn't eat this fast enough from last time because I just bought too much last time. Mushy cabbage. Broccoli. This will make a good juice. These two will make a good juice. Yeah, I'm gonna try that because I don't eat pineapple so fast. So maybe pineapple and celery juice. Maybe that'll be good. Okay, yeah. These are kind of old. Let me see what they look like. Okay, yeah. I volunteered at a local farm, and they gave us some cabbage. No, not cabbage. Collard greens. It was good. I rinsed them. Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna cook that one day. I need to sit down and make a meal plan because I have a lot of like stuff, and so yeah. So the thing is like, because the stuff is so cheap, I buy it, but then it's like I'm only one person, and so it'd be hard to like eat it all. But like for instance, I spent $36 last week, and I ate like maybe 75% of it. But then now I go every Saturday. I have to keep a routine because if not, like, I struggle, you know what I'm trying to say? So I just keep a routine no matter if I need or don't need. I go and get what I need and want for the next week, and then I'll just, like, you know, I'll make a bulk meals and stuff like that. So this video is just cleaning my fridge, showing you what I have, what I've gotten. So total, yeah, last week I got $26 that I spent for this upcoming week, and most of the stuff that I'm putting is for this upcoming week, except for a few miscellaneous things. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna organize my fridge and stuff like that, and then maybe in the next video I'll show you kind of what I'm writing out for my meal plan, and then videos after that I'll show you how I'm cooking it. And yeah, I'm thinking about doing a 75 hard challenge. I've been doing yoga every single day because my aspiration is to be able to, you know, do that as for a living, you know. But so I've been doing that pretty much every single day. I go to hot yoga every single day for the most part. On the weekends I've been kind of doing it on my own time because I have to work. Everybody has to work. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the finished product, not the finished product, I'm gonna have to edit this. I wasn't trying to edit, but I'm gonna have to edit somehow. I might not edit because consistency is key, and I feel like being consistent is more important than being perfect. That's a life lesson. Be consistent, because through consistency you'll start to create your sense of perfection. If you try to be perfect at first, shawty, you gonna fall off, and that consistency gonna be out the window because you set high expectations for yourself without that energy battery. And I don't have that energy battery to be perfect. I don't think nobody does in this particular time, but you know, whatever. Anyways, yeah. I finished that in about 30 minutes, and so now I'm gonna get ready to go to work. My next video, I'm going to probably be making that juice, because that way they don't rotten. And I think I'm gonna make either a broth or like a soup with the vegetables that's a little bit older, so that way I can not waste. So yeah, that's it. That's all. Bye.